All right, guys, I think you already know where we're at. Yeah. Anytime I'm anywhere near Mooresville, North Carolina, you know I've got to come to Our Dream Auto and see the crew, the whole crew, and nothing but the crew. Guys, let me tell you again, if you've never heard of Our Dream Auto, I've worked with them for a long time. Great friends of mine, Matt and Manir and all them, but they do stuff like this, like, you know, insane stuff like this. But what they do really well also is this stuff, and it's crazy, guys. And we're gonna walk around and see some of these other Fox bodies that are back here. But this car actually came in, the strut towers were literally rusted out of the car, and they got all of the rust off of this car, painted it. It's got the SVE Series 3s on it. And this is a super nice, clean, low mile sunroof car. They did all the trim, everything. So that car is looking ridiculous. This one here, guys, this one is not stock. This one is getting a little more, and it looks like they just got this one back out of paint. Rocking the Pony R's. Yeah, I just got it out of paint. But there's your first hint right there. But you walk around the front side here, boys, this is a Gen 3. Now this is actually the first one I've got to kind of look over. This is a Gen 3, obviously 2018 and up, with the direct injection. So this thing is gonna be an absolute freaking monster. Cannot wait to see this one kind of come together. But oh my god, Gen 3, it's got fresh paint, obviously nice stance and wheels and everything. Got the bare brakes, of course. Oh. But yeah, guys, keep an eye out for this one. And if you're already tired of looking at Fox bodies, here's a fresh Hemi swap and a older school Mopar. Anyway, so you're tired of Coyote, you say, all right, let's go over here. And I think this is a 331, if I'm not mistaken. But got the Vortec. It is a V1. Got the big I think this one's 315 squared. It's freaking sweet. I believe they just finished the engine bay. Doing a lot of stuff to this. But these are what I really like, these freaking Corbeau seats. Full roll cage, obviously. But it's like super clean convertible. I believe it's got full suspension. If you look real close, you can see it's got fender flares on it. Like if you look at a stock Fox to this, it's got the molded in fender flares, and it's got the Surbinator auto design rear spoiler, which is freaking sick. I'm not sure what we're doing with this car. Oh, this is Coyote. This one's getting a Yodi too. Guys, you know, you see our shop all the time and it's pretty cool, but we come out here and it's just like nuts. I mean, there's so much cool stuff out here. It's like this one is getting an engine bay, and it looks like they did some rust repair on that. Guys, they're really good with the rust repair. If you're a little bit nervous about the rust repair, you need to hit these guys up, because they do phenomenal work. They actually replace the metal, they don't fill it. But yeah, that one's mid-build. Oh my god, super nice vert. I'm not sure what all, I guess this one's getting a bay. I think this one's getting a bay. This one's got a little bit, not bad. I'm not sure exactly what all is going to be going on with this. And then, let's see what we're working with here. Nice clean 4i. I freaking love it. And we are going to get over there, but just bear with me here. Had to check these out. Super, super, super cool. And then, got another 4i. Looks like it's got big brakes. Oh, look at there. Gen 2 Yodi. Full roll cage. This is sick. Nothing like a 4i Yodi swap. And guys, I've never seen this. This is crazy. Wow. I've never seen that done like that. That's pretty freaking awesome. Alright guys, and everybody knows Harris Lou's Calypso comeback is now coming back with an extra 4 cylinders. getting wired up. This was a 4-cylinder automatic, and he did convert it to 4-cylinder turbo, but that gave up too, so finally biting the bullet, putting the 5.0 in it. Gonna be freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Be nice to see this one back on the road. If you don't know Lou, hit up Lou. You know Lou. All right, guys, we got to check this thing out on the lift. True 93 Cobra, and I guess this was a drag car at one point, and guys just making it a street car. Got a 03 Cobra IRS in it. Coyote. Is this Gen 2? Gen 1? Gen 1 Yodi T56. You know, all the good stuff. It's got all the Maximum Motorsports up front, brakes. This thing's gonna be freaking sweet. Absolutely freaking sweet. All right, guys, we had to check this bad boy out. Just kind of lurking over here in the shadows. Damn, dude, that is too freaking cool. Look, this is what you do when you have absolutely zero room for an intake. I mean, it works though. That is awesome. What transmission is that?
It's got 6R80.
6R80.
Vintage air.
Is the door open?
Yeah.
Let's see. Gently. Always gently. Oh man, that is cool. I love the seats.
Yeah. Be surprised how small that cab is.
It's tiny.
Yeah, once you get in there with the door shut. It's very cramped.
Man, this is super nice. And like, they always wondered about these trucks is like, obviously you can't step on that.
Right.
You know, and ruin the paint, because
Right.
this thing's slick as, oh my God, look at the bed too. Jeez. This is too cool. And you said this thing's got an LS in it.
Yep, this got an LS in it.
I mean, seriously, I think that's the future, is keep them looking pretty much original and, you know, put modern powertrain in it. Oh, that looks great.
Yeah.
That looks freaking
We
great.
actually have to cut the front end off of this car because it was built and all done.
Oh.
And the guy doesn't like how it drives, which we didn't build it. So the guy's bringing it to us to cut the front end off, do rack and pinion, coilovers, and make it drive nice.
Is it a 6.2?
Yeah, 6.2.
Jeez. It's got, I mean, it literally, it looks like it, you know,
On white wall.
fastest it'd go like 32 miles an
Right.
hour, you know. I freaking love it. Like, this is not necessarily me, but I love the old stuff with the modern drive lines.
Right.
That you can actually get out and enjoy.
It doesn't just look good, it drives good.
Right.
You don't want to drive these cars when they're original, even if they're restored.
No power, no brakes, no steering. Like, this is way too cool. So what do you guys got left on this one?
This one's done, it's just waiting to be picked
Oh,
up.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna have a lot of fun with this, and he got everything blacked out.
Yeah, he wanted everything blacked out, black wheels.
Wow. The stance is like perfect.
Yeah.
Dumped down, looking good. Awesome truck. All right, so and this bad boy hit the wall. Was he drag racing or?
I believe, yeah, he's a drag racing it out of the track.
Oh, that sucks. So when you got something like this, what do you guys do as far as repair? Just
So we'll straighten it out the best we can with our frame dig. We'll get it straightened up, and then we'll start cutting it back.
gotcha.
That way everything is as close to dialed in as it can be. We'll start cutting it back and replacing from there.
Nice. And as bad as this is, I mean, this can be saved.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's crazy. If you look at where the K-member bolts, you can see the K-member is really what kept everything straight.
Sure
From
is.
that point back, everything is.
yeah, and you can see it.
more straight.
That took a pretty good hit.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, it hit hard.
He was at Foxtoberfest 18 and everything.
Yeah.
I probably got the car in one of the videos for that.
Right. So we'll shave the engine bay and
Nice.
match the front end for it. Send it on the road.
It's a clean car.
Yeah, yeah. That's one of the shop cars. We started that thing years ago, and we just haven't had time to finish it.
One of these days,
Yeah.
right?
When it's your own, it never gets done.
Pretty slick. But and you guys are staying mega busy.
Right.
Like mega busy. How many cars on the list right now?
We got 25 cars on the list waiting.
It's
Trying to
amazing,
get to
yeah.
them all, but only can do what you can do.
That's right. That's right. Quality work is hard to find, so you find a busy shop, there's a reason. It's because they do amazing work. The paint on this car looks I should have just brought my car and just left it. And
We talked about that last time.
yeah, we did, and I think it's gonna probably have to happen because I'm tired of looking at it. I got the white car too that needs paint, so
Yeah.
just bring them both, you know.
Yeah.
'Cause this is this EP? Is this vermilion?
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, that's
Yep.
the same color as my car. This thing's gonna run really strong.
Yeah. It's going to be a nice driver. He's planning on taking on road trips. And
Yeah. So you guys doing air and everything on it?
yeah, AC, power steering,
Yeah.
nice stereo, pretty original style interior, good brakes and suspension, but
Yep.
nothing too wild.
Nice resto mod.
Yep.
All right, guys, so that is what is up. I hope you enjoyed checking out all the freaking ridiculous cars here at Our Dream Auto, located right here in Mooresville, North Carolina, Race City, USA. I freaking love this place. I get here anytime I can. If you are needing a build, doesn't matter if it's Mopar, Chevrolet, Fox Body, any old Ford, they do amazing work, and just like any other quality shop, they're not cheap. So if you're serious, please hit them up. I'll have information in the description. 100% recommended. The cars here are amazing, and they take a lot of pride in what they do. So that says a lot, and that's why I'll stand here all day long and say, if you want good work, it's the place. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Check you next time.